So today I'll be making wedding place cards, but instead of using card, I went down a bit of an unusual route and used baubles instead, with the initial of the person's name on it. So I'm having a winter Christmassy wedding, so I thought these baubles would be a lovely addition to the table and to the theme. So I bought myself a bunch of different baubles there, but all with a similar theme. So I'm having a sort of green, silver and gold theme there. So I've just got a bunch of them which have glitter and shimmer and some metallic there. So I'm going to place them around on the tables with each person's initial on there, and they will also have their name written on these tags. So instead of a place card, I will have the bauble sitting by the plate, and I will pop in one of these tags with their name, but for this one I've got bride, and I'll just pop that around the top there. And I just think it makes a lovely handmade, unusual setting, really in theme with the sort of winter Christmas vibe. So to make these, it's very, very simple. You will need some small wooden hearts and some paint. So I'm using some silver metallic paint there. So if you just get your heart, pop a bit of colour out there. Get your paintbrush and then just gently paint on your colour. So this can be in tune with your theme. So if you're having blues or golds, you can paint it however you like. So I'm doing a mixture of silver and gold. There we are. So that's painted there. So now you just have to leave that to dry. I'll also show you one in gold. So same as before, just very gently popping the paint on. And there we have a gold one as well there. So leave those wooden hearts to dry. And these are one of the wooden hearts that I made earlier. So now you just have to draw the initial. So I just use a black Sharpie for my one. Just very carefully draw that on there. I go over it a couple of times. And there you have your initial. Then what you need to do is pick one of your baubles for it to go on. So I think for this one I want a nice glittery silver bauble. So you'll just have to get something to prop it up there. Place the bauble on there. You'll then want to get a glue gun. I've got a Cool Melt glue gun there. Just let that heat up for a minute. So once your glue gun is ready and nice and warm, you just take your wooden heart there and pop a little bit of glue on the back. And then stick that straight in the middle there, very gently. and they have the initial on the bauble. So I made a few different versions. So there you've got the silver one and another gold one there, and a nice green and silver bauble. So you can do them in all sorts of different baubles there, and I just think it's really lovely and unusual and just gives that nod to the Christmas theme. So then all you need to do is take one of your tags and write their name out with a Sharpie. So I've already made one there. It's got a lovely little cut out heart as well. And then all you need to do is tie it round the bauble. And then again tie it at the end there so that they can hang this up on a tree. And there you have your bauble name setting. So they've got their initial and the name tag. I just think it's lovely that it can be used as a place setting as well as a favour, so that each guest can take this home at the end of the night and pop it up on their own Christmas tree. So it's a sort of 2-in-1 gift there. Lovely and personalised, and it doesn't take very long as well, so it's nice and easy. Lovely handmade for your wedding. So if you want to see more wedding craft videos like this, like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.